All right, another program. Now we are going to do the solution sum. So again, this is a program that doesn't show up very often, which is why a lot of people don't maybe even know that it exists, let alone how to use it. So it's when we have quadratic and we want to know the solution, the sum of the solution. So solution sum. Again, only 8 characters to name it, which is why we have to go with a weird one. And we want to let the user know that they want to have their equation in the form AX² plus BX plus C. To get the equals, it's second math for the test menu. So that's going to equal 0. Oh. AX² plus BX plus C equals 0. Now we're going to prompt the user and ask them for A, B, and C. So prompt for A, prompt for, B, and prompt for C. And now we do the equation. So it's to figure out the solution of the sum of the solutions. I'm going to do negative B divided by A. Oops. So if this happens to you, like I hit the wrong button, if I actually exit all the way out, go back into program, and now I want to edit the solution sum, it puts me right back to where I was at. So negative B divided by A. I'm going to store that to S for the sum. And now I tell the user what they're getting as their answer. So display sum of solutions is program, and then we're just going to display the value. All right, so now let's test it out, make sure it works. So program, now we're going to execute the program. So you enter to select it and then enter to run it. I'm using the quadratic x², so the coefficient's 1, minus x, so minus 1, minus 6, and the solutions are 3 and negative 2. So when I add them together, I actually should get 1. And it works. It's a common SAT question. Hope you get to use this program. Good luck, and please check out our other videos.